Hi everyone, this is Kishore from apps DBA.info. In the previous chapter, we have seen that we upgraded our application from 12.1.3 to 12.2. In this chapter, in this session, we are going to run the rapid wizard again for the configuration. So for that, again, we need to run the rapid wizard. And click next, and this time as you're upgrading, you have to select upgrade. So here you remove the existing one and you verify, you connect to your application, connect to the application environment file, and whatever is your context file, copy that and paste it, and you say next, give the WebLogic password, click next. So the verification is in process. Let me pause this session. The validation is completed and you have seen that all the checks are being verified. So now you say next, next, and let's configure. So configuring Oracle EBS Suite. So this will take for a while. In the meantime, I'll just pause the session. Well, the validation is completed. We'll continue with we'll just verify. Next step is we'll run autoconfig on the application and the database, and then we'll start the application and see whether from the front end we are able to access or not. So first step, what we do is we will disable the maintenance mode. Then we will prepare for prepare for running autoconfig on both application and database. For that, what I do, first I run this script on the application. So this will create a zip file. This zip file I'll copy. Yeah, it has created the zip file. So what I do, I copy this zip file to the database. Okay, so looks like already one file is there. So now what I do, I come to the database. So what I do, I come to Oracle home and copy and unzip it, because AppsUtil is already available. Extract it. So if it is a new server, then we may have to build the XML file. But in this case we don't need, because already we have the XML file. So I can directly go and run the autoconfig. So just let me explain this step. See, sometimes we may have to upgrade on a new server. So in that case, we have to follow, we have to build the XML file and follow these steps. But otherwise, if we can, in my case, because I'm doing the upgrade on the same server, so I can just run autoconfig both on the application and both on the database, which I'm doing now. Yeah, see, autoconfig is completed. So now what I do, I come to the application server and run autoconfig. So this may take for a while. Let me mute. The autoconfig is successful. So now what we can do, we can actually verify the release. So what we do is we can grep for the version, and here you can see that it is 12.2. Now better to take a backup, but before that I will start the application and verify, and then you can take a backup. The application is started, so let me verify the URL, and this is the URL. Of course the URL will not change. So now what I do, I just try to log in. So now we are upgraded from 12.1.3 to 12.2, and this is the first time we are accessing the application. So far it looks good. It took for a while to start. Maybe I need to increase the SGA target. SGA target is only 1 GB. Once this is completed, I will increase the SGA target. Yep, it looks good so far. And now let us see the version. Right, if you see that we are moved from 12.1.0 to 12.2. So now what I do, I just capture this screen and just paste in my document. Right, so once this is done, what you can do, you can take a backup, and because next one is we have to enable the online patching. After that we need to upgrade from 12.2 to 12.2.10, then upgrade from 12C to 19C. We have 3 tasks, major tasks to be completed. So in this session we have configured the application tier by running the rapid wizard. So it took like 30-45 minutes. Then we have run the auto config on both on database and the application by following these particular steps. So thanks. So hope you are enjoying it. We love your comments. Always send us your comments. Thank you.